will be interactive. I am not going to give lecture and you're not going to just listen. Yesterday, I told you, Google and see what is PABT,
Yes, sir, I tried,
what
but
is one
I,
second,
I,
what is CPSS? Have you been able to get through?
sir, I tried, but I was not able to understand the things.
No, no. Have you gone through what?
Yes, sir,
Gone through some of the videos?
I tried to Google PA. I didn't remember. I wrote that special test for the Air Force in SSB,
In other words,
but
you did not go through, correct?
I forgot the word PABT. So I googled
In other
special.
words, you did not go through any of those
Yes,
videos
yes, sir.
or
Rajesh,
so
yes,
I'll have to.
we have shown you sent you some videos which it had PABT itself. You
That's
didn't
all.
even bother to look at those particular videos around there. Did I give the reference or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There it was PABT by Kamru Talukdar.
The previous batch, I had taken a class and that was recorded and it was sent to you, but I think you didn't see. Anyway,
Yes, sir.
pilot PABT stands for Pilot Aptitude Battery Test. PABT. Will you remember this? Will you
Sir?
remember this?
Yes, sir. I
PABT.
will. Pilot aptitude battery check.
Pilot Aptitude Battery Test. This is a once in lifetime test. Please understand, once in lifetime.
Yes, sir.
If you pass, you will make it as a military pilot. If you don't pass, you will never ever in life make it as a military pilot.
Okay, sir.
That means you cannot appear second time.
One time.
Yeah, only once in lifetime. This is done for people who want to join as a pilot in the military. Military includes Air Force, Army, Navy, and Coast Guard has also got their own pilots. Okay, Army, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard. So all those people who are interested to become a pilot, I think you also want to become, have to do this test and pass.
Sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
This test is conducted generally on the last day. Right? People,
Yes.
or in some SSBs, yesterday only I spoke to somebody from the SSB. He says if there is time available, they can even have it in between.
Achha.
That means if there is no GTO task for you or your group, then they put that group into so that the whole thing is done in time. Otherwise, normally it is done on the last. Right? What are they checking in PABT? Tell me. What will they check? If you want to become a pilot, what extra qualities you must have as a pilot? You tell me yourself. I'll make it, still try to make it interactive, although you have not seen those videos.
I should be.
What extra quality? You just think about it. Keep your mind, let it go, open up your mind, let it go wild.
Aware.
Awareness. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Situational, we call it situational awareness. A
Situation.
pilot has to be aware as to what is happening to his aircraft,
Yes, sir.
what is happening outside.
Yes.
Okay, there can be enemy aircraft behind you. There can be a missile fired at you.
Yes, sir.
And inside the aircraft, do you drive a car?
No, sir.
You don't drive. Okay. You drive a bike?
No, sir.
You don't drive a bike also. So inside the aircraft, there are certain gadgets, there are certain instruments, right?
Yes, sir.
If anything goes wrong in the aircraft, anything fails in the aircraft, there are warning lights which shows that so-and-so system has gone unserviceable. So you have to be aware inside the cockpit, what is happening? Is my aircraft fully serviceable? Is it going all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, while you're flying, There's somebody talking from outside, giving you instructions. Have you ridden in a civil aircraft? Have you flown? Gone
Yes,
from
sir.
one place to another?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, you got. So the pilot is all the time talking to the station. Okay, taking his
Yes, sir.
reference, he is telling him, I'm coming at so and so height, I'm descending now, I'm coming on the approach. Okay, all this, there is a two-way communication going. So all these things are being done by the pilot at one time. There are no specific time. Okay, now I'll do only communication. Now I'll only look outside. Now only I'll look inside. Nothing like that. Tell me one more quality which a pilot should have.
He should take decisions.
Yeah, decision taking ability, split second decision ability. Split second, not even second.
It's,
Okay. If something goes wrong, if your aircraft is on fire, if somebody has fired a missile at you, you should be able to escape from the aircraft. You have to take a decision to eject out of the aircraft. And that decision is life and death decision. If you delay, you'll be on ground. Okay, split second decision. Good. I'm very happy that you're coming out. Third, you have to be courageous.
courageous.
You have to be correct.
Courageous.
Unless you have courage, you will not be able to face the enemy.
Yes, sir.
What else?
Knowledge about the aircraft.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Then
He should
you should have physical courage. You have to have
physical
moral courage. You have to be physically fit. That is why the medical which is conducted for an Air Force officer is much more stricter than for a normal officer. Air Force officer, pilot branch, flying branch. I'm saying not the ground duty branch is as good as or as same as the army, but for a pilot, the medical is separate. You are wearing glasses. What is the power?
0.5 and 0.5, around 0.5.
Okay. You have to,
Minus
if you
0.5.
wear glasses, okay, it has to be corrected 6/6 to join the Air Force. Right? I'm sure yours is corrected. So I'm sure about it. Okay. There are a lot of stresses in the aircraft when you're flying. Okay, so many things are happening at one time. So you should be able to withstand the stress. Okay, so the PABT test is checking all these qualities, whether it is there in you or not. Generally, they say these qualities cannot be imbibed. That means you cannot improve upon it. That is why it is done once in lifetime only. These are inborn qualities. Yes, some improvement probably can be done here and there, but these are inborn qualities. It cannot be changed. That is why they do it only once in life. Have I been clear in this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basically, in this test, now I'll come specific to this test. Basically, in this test, what they are checking is your psychomotor. What is psycho? What is motor?
Related to brain.
Brain and
Uh,
limb movement. Your movement of your hand, movement of
Physical
your leg. Psychomotor coordination.
What I think is
Right?
what I do.
Just a small
And
bit.
cognitive.
Taluga, just the future SSB is going to check my psychomotor response also. It is going to be
Yeah,
part
yeah.
of the SSB itself. It has
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that.
in future it is fully expected.
Yeah. Actually, for him, I'm taking a different type of class, not like the one I took last time, because he needs little more, I think, understanding, because he doesn't drive a car, he doesn't drive a bike. So probably that's why I'm getting little lower level of teaching. Okay. So I'm trying to teach you in that manner. Right. Psychomotor coordination and cognitive ability. What is cognitive? Related to the brain, right? This is the two things which they are checking. Now, of late, not this thing, in 1997, our late President Abdul Kalam, you know who is Abdul Kalam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is he?
Sir,
What is he known as? I mean, I know you are the president that you know. What is he known as? The missile man of India.
Missile man of India. Missile man of India. Yes.
He was the scientific advisor to the Prime Minister. Initially Raksha Minister, then Raksha Mantri, then became Prime Minister. At that time, he himself had introduced a new system which is known as CPSS. What is CPSS?
I don't know, sir.
Computerized Pilot Selection System.
Achha.
Okay. This is a little improvement of the PABT.
Yeah, yeah.
So yesterday only I spoke to somebody in Dehradun Selection Board. He says that nowadays, when I was in the system, it was not being done. But nowadays, they do CPSS first and then the PABT. PABT is a long, very old system. Even when I got selected, I also went through that. So they found that that is a more effective system to check your psychomotor. So they have kept that also, and they have introduced a new thing called CPSS,
CPS.
right? But some selection board has not yet introduced this. Have you understood why I'm telling you? Because when you go there, you should not get lost, sir. ये तो बताया नहीं आपने, ये हो गया. So I'm telling you, in Dehradun, they do CPSS first, followed by PABT. Okay. In some selection board, only PABT they do. But what they do, they not select at random, they take some students and they make them go through CPSS as well. Okay, there it is not a selection or something, not by your performance or something. They just randomly select. Because slowly or gradually CPSS is going to take place, going to replace PABT forever.
PABT. Achha.
Okay. Now in PABT, what all happens, I'll tell you first. And then I'll tell you what happens in CPSS also. Okay. Are you with me all this while?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to gather what I'm telling? Have
Yes,
you
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Now PABT has got both written as well as machine test. In the written test, okay, before that I must tell you, in an aircraft, like in a car, there are various gadgets, various instruments. In an aircraft, there are basically 6 instruments. Okay. The previous batch, they could rattle out all the instruments. But in your case, I'll still ask you, what are the instruments you think will be there in the aircraft?
In the Indian aircraft.
In an aircraft,
What are the 6 things?
kya?
It's a
What should be there? See, in an aircraft, you should know now at what speed it is going, at what altitude it is flying.
speedometer. It should have
Okay.
speedometer.
ठीक है. I'm not expecting you to know. There are 6 basic instruments. Okay. First is the speedometer, you said, but we call it ASI, air speed indicator. Speedometer is okay for a common man who's driving a car. It is called speedometer, but for a pilot, it is air speed indicator. That means at what speed this aircraft is flying through the air. I'll not go into the working and all, how it works and all. You need not know about it. Okay. Then you have an altimeter. That means it shows the altitude of mean sea level at which the aircraft is flying. Then you have an artificial horizon. What is artificial horizon? What is horizon first? Tell me. You know horizon?
Yes, yes. It,
What?
it's a imaginary line where the sea and the sky meets.
Okay, very good. Artificial horizon indicates to you the attitude of the aircraft. Attitude means whether it is climbing or it is descending. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then there is a vertical speed indicator. That means at what speed or at what rate the aircraft is climbing or
Climbing.
descending.
Yes, sir.
Then there is a turn indicator. That means when the aircraft turns left or right, it is shown in the instrument. What is that instrument which shows direction? What do you call it? Direction, north. Do you know north, south, east, west?
Yes, yes. Compass.
Yeah. Compass. So there is a compass. So I have told you all these 6 instruments, right? Now, in the written test, what they will do is they will show you these instruments and they will, one thing is there that they will explain what I have explained to you now, much more details. There will be a pilot there who will explain to you. So please be attentive
Yes, sir.
and ask questions. You can ask him 100 times, he'll reply to you 100 times. I'm giving you this liberty because yesterday only I spoke to somebody who
Yes, sir.
conducts this, and he says, sir, we give them so much of chance because it is a once in lifetime. We don't want them to get disheartened and go away with some doubts. So if you ask him 100 times, he'll tell you 100 times. So please ask. Okay. Now they will show you this instrument and they'll ask you to write down ASI. ASI is speed indicator. How much speed it is indicating.
Yes, sir.
Altimeter, how much altimeter it is reading. He will tell you the gadgets, he will tell you the needles, like in a clock you have 8 o'clock means 8, it is one
Yes.
smaller one is at 8, bigger one is at 12. Similarly, he will teach you. Okay. So they will ask you to read these instruments and write down. They'll give you 4 different answers. So you have to write down the correct answer. Tick mark the correct answer. Right? They will show you an aircraft turning left or right. So suppose the aircraft is turning left, he will give you 4 different answers: left, right, descending, ascending. So you'll have to choose the right answer. Written test over. After that, you come to the, what do you call that? Machine test.
Machine test.
Okay. In the machine test, there are 2 things which is done. I'll just show you. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the outer one, I have, since I can't
No,
upload,
sir, it's a
I can't show you. Outer one is the screen. It's like a
screen.
computer screen. Okay. There is a square in the center, which I have
Yes, sir.
indicated by red.
Red.
And there is a dot. Actually, there are 2 dots. One is red and one is white. Okay. With the help of your feet, your hand, okay, you have to keep this dot in the center. The dot will keep moving. Okay,
Yes,
it's
sir.
dynamic, it's fluid, it is dynamic. So you'll have to keep it back, keep bringing it back. By this, what they're checking is your psychomotor coordination, whether you're able to, your hand and mind and your feet, everything is working fine. Okay, they'll give you 3 chances. The best one will be taken for assessment.
Yes, sir.
Generally, I will advise you, first one, you learn the thing. Okay, first one you use to grasp. Second and third, you should keep it for assessment. In any case, you don't have a choice. The best one will be taken for assessment. So you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to tell himself, please take my third one and not the second one. Like you said, when you are asked to write a story on story number 7, you kept insisting, sir, please take my second story. Nothing like that. Okay. I have not taught like this to anybody before. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm also finding it little difficult to teach like this. Anyway,
Yes, sir.
I for your sake, I'm doing it. The other test which is done on the machine is a drum test. Okay. In that, what they do, do you play video games?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. So that in the drum, there are some yellow dots, right? I can only probably show you. Can you see this? Last
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That yellow dots are there. And there is
Yes,
a
sir.
red dot at the bottom,
Yes, sir.
right? The drum will
Yes, sir.
keep moving.
Okay.
Okay. The yellow dots will keep flickering and moving.
Achha.
Okay. Now your aim is to keep this red dot going over the yellow dots.
Oh,
And it will keep going left, right, but you'll have to keep bringing it center and keep moving over the yellow dots. Okay, there is a finish line here on top.
yes,
Moment
sir.
you come to that, the game is over. I'm calling it a game because it is like a video game.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So these are the three tests. One is a written, one is your machine test. I've told you, keeping that dot in the center. And third one is a drum test. That is also called a machine test. And this is the part of PABT. Okay. Now, that day the IO also asked you some questions about Air Force. With the modernization, with new aircraft coming, okay, with much improvement in the flying technology, okay, what they now feel, or Dr. Abdul Kalam felt at that moment, that we should bring in some modern method of checking the pilot. Okay, so that is why this CPSS has been
Implement.
introduced.
Great.
Now, have you understood PABT in totality almost, or you
Sir.
have any doubts?
No, sir. I have understood.
Okay. Now, what Colonel Prasad was saying, that now they're going to introduce the psycho, testing, which they're doing it in CPSS. Okay. The part one is a intelligence test. In CPSS, the part one is an intelligence test. That day, you remember, he had given you some figures, some shapes, sizes. You have to
Yes, sir.
say which is the one which is not. Have you done that intelligence test? We told you to go Google and see some intelligence test. They'll give you a series of numbers. You have to
Oh,
find
yes,
out
sir. Yes, sir. This,
which is
this,
number is not
yes,
in
sir.
sequence
Yes,
or
sir.
something.
I
So
have
it
done
is
this.
similar to that. It is basically a testing of your IQ,
Yes, sir.
right? There'll be multiple questions. You have to choose the best one, the correct one. Okay. There may be some basic maths questions. Basically, it is an intelligence test. If you want, you can
Yes.
Google and find out 100,000.
I've done, sir.
You have done it. So that is the test. This is, they have 60 questions, 20 minutes, right? You must
Okay.
answer all of them. As far as possible, don't leave unnecessarily blanks, because then if you leave blank, that means that mark is gone. Okay.
Yes,
So intelligently, 20 minutes, you must finish those. The cockpit test, which is being done, cockpit means the mock cockpit. The machine test is more or less what I have told you in the PABT. But this is a more improved version of a cockpit. It's totally computerized, right? And I can only say it is the improved version, but the test is same.
sir.
Same means one is that dot in the square, third one is the drum test.
Achha.
Have you understood? So
Yes, sir.
CPSS basically is a improved version of
Improved
PABT,
version of PABT.
and little more of your intelligence test, because
Intelligent test.
the modern gadgets, modern aircraft, they need you to be more savvy as far as computers are concerned, more intelligent to operate. Okay, in my time, I have flown the Hunters, I have flown the MiG-21s. Today, there are much more advanced aircraft. So I'm coming to that. That day I also asked you a little bit about which are the modern hardware which has been acquired by the Air Force. You could not give an answer. Today I'm giving another chance. Can you tell me which is the latest fighter aircraft which has been brought by the Indian Air Force? Latest. Just landed at Ambala other day, 5 of them.
I saw the news, but I forgot the address.
You have to be
I,
aware,
I
friend.
no, sir, I saw the news, sir. I forgot the name.
Rafale. Have you heard of Rafale? aircraft?
Rafale, yes, sir, yes, sir, Rafale, yes, sir.
It's a Rafale which has been acquired, 36 of them.
Yes, sir,
Our
yes, sir, yes,
Prime
sir,
Minister had gone to France. He signed
Yes,
for
sir.
36 aircraft. 5 have arrived. Another 3 have arrived a few days back. So finally, we'll have 36 of them.
Yes, sir,
Right?
I saw the news of this.
You saw the news.
Yeah.
Which is the other aircraft which is there in our inventory, which is very modern and very up to, I mean, almost modern day aircraft. Have you heard of Su-30?
Sukhoi 30.
Sukhoi 30.
Yes, sir.
That is another, that's a Russian aircraft.
Yes.
Rafale is a French aircraft. Okay. India has not yet produced a aircraft of that caliber
Sir.
as yet. Okay. These are all generation 4.5 to 5, generation 5 aircraft. Okay. The latest which is available in the world. There are few helicopters which have been acquired by India. Can you tell me which are the aircraft?
Helicopter.
See, your general awareness you have to improve. Okay, if you are joining Air Force, you have to know about Air Force. Please, for heaven's sake, read about Air Force. Nowadays, there's a beautiful thing in the thing on your mobile and computer. Google, just Google
Yes,
it,
sir. I will Google it.
please. Okay, there are 2 aircraft which has been bought recently, Apache and Chinook,
Yes, sir.
right? Apache is a gun ship. It's a helicopter, attack helicopter. And Chinook is a transport helicopter. Okay. I don't want to confuse you with too many things because then you'll get confused. There are some C-30, 130 transport aircraft, C-7 transport aircraft. You need not bother about it. But basically, you must know about the fighters and the helicopters, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me if you have any questions on PABT and CPSS.
No, sir.
No?
Sir, that dot one. What we have to do with the dot means the dot will be.
This one you are talking about.
Yes, sir. This one, this one.
Okay. This is the screen.
Yes, sir.
In the
And
screen, there is a square, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
there is a dot, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, there are 2 dots. I don't want to confuse you. The instructor there will guide you because if I tell you 2 dots, then you will get more confused. Just concentrate on 1 dot. Okay. The dot is dynamic. That means it is moving. On its own, it is moving up and down. Moving
Okay,
right,
sir.
left, up, down.
Really?
With your feet, okay, and with your hand. In the hand, you have something known as joystick,
Yes,
and on your feet, you have called paddles.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you press the left paddle, the
Oh, it's like
ball may go to the right. If you press the right paddle, ball may go to the left. If you put the stick forward, the ball may go up. If you take the stick backward, the ball may go down. This, the instructor there will tell you.
sir.
Okay, he'll tell you. If you put the left stick, it will go right. If you right stick, it will go left. It is not sacrosanct. That's why I'm not trying to tell you here. The instructor will brief you. Every machine is different, so I don't want to confuse you. Right? So the ball is moving. What will you do? If it is going right, you press your left leg. bring it back. If it's going left, press your right leg, bring it back. If it's going up, bring
Okay.
the stick backward, it will go down. If it's going down, so you'll have to
Bring
all the
it up.
time keep,
Oh,
all the time you have to
I
keep
got
moving.
moving.
There's a joystick in your video game also. Now you keep doing
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, keep doing this.
Yes, sir.
Same thing. Okay. Anything else you want to ask me? The
No,
one more thing I forgot to tell you. While you are doing this, that's why I told you situation awareness. They may, since seeing your performance, sound a audio warning. You
yes,
have
sir.
to cancel that audio warning. That means this is showing that while you are flying, something has gone wrong in your aircraft. You have to take action. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So right hand is your joystick. Both your feet are on your paddles, and left hand there is another two switches which you'll have to keep switching off, switching on. Audio is one. Okay, there is another warning which is the light warning. It's an amber light which will keep coming on. You have to keep canceling it. So many things you have to do in one go, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And like I said, the instructor there, who is a pilot, normally a fighter pilot, who will brief you. They take about, he was telling me, sir, we brief them sometimes for 2 3 hours.
Sir.
If anybody has doubts, you are allowed to ask. Okay, because it is once in lifetime, we don't want to spoil your chances. So
Okay, sir.
they will teach you. Okay, but don't be like what you have been with us. Sir, I have understood. I'm sure you cannot understand. In just one lecture, can you understand everything? Can you become a pilot just by my one lecture I gave you in last 40, 30 minutes, 25 minutes?
No, sir.
Okay. That's how I end my class. But if you have any doubts even now, please ask me. No?